This might be the best Thai and Lao food that I've had this year. The foods here are like my parents' cooking but enhanced. And there's a reason why they're on the Michelin Guide. Located in Oakland, this is Bird and Buffalo serving Thai soul food. The dishes here are from the northeastern part of Thailand and Laos. So you know we had to get Lao. This is the pork cheek Lao with sticky rice. My husband and I thought this was definitely the highlight. Definitely hella good. Next up, you know I had to get kapiak sen. This was also hella good and I enjoy the long thin noodles. Next up, I recommend these pork spare ribs. They taste like my parents' marinade, but better. And my favorite appetizer are these Lao sausages. These were hella good. I also recommend getting the lunch meal set, which comes with a variety of food for just $24. I highly recommend the catfish. Lastly, you know I had to get nam khao. And wash it all down with this $20 Phuket bucket.